Check out this incredible landscape. Beautiful sight. Very windy. This road is really busy, but what incredible landscape. Look at that. I'm gonna get the camera on the car because it's pretty epic and it's not too wet right now. Stop to show you the Carlo of Durness, and it's a wonderful bay. You don't see this every day. We're almost at top of Scotland now, and beautiful white sand, golden sand. People have been having fires here, but it feels really wild today. It's 14 degrees, which, believe it or not, is pretty warm for up here. It's pretty incredible. The views on offer are just amazing as always. Look at that. You know, sometimes you've just got to stop and take a pit stop, and I'll show you something epic, and this is certainly you know, one of those moments. So have a look, see. Wow. This is epic. We're doing good today. We're making good progress. We're almost at the top, and now we cut right. I'm thinking we just go straight to Smoot Cave. Really coming down some. Look at this. Look at this. My God. We've got a bit of a windy, rainy day. You know, a possible hurricane on the way tomorrow and a tornado. My God. We have lots to look forward to. Look at this. We got an awesome view of the bay. You know, things I do for this video. It's absolutely tearing it down. Look at the views. Absolutely beautiful. After this, we're going to park by the church and see some ancient graves. Ancient. Yeah, we're only 10 minutes away up here, but it is coming down. The wind is so strong. Oh my God! Wow. This is raw Scotland, wild Scotland. Whew. Back to the car. I'm nearly soaked now. I get out for a second, and I'm. This rain? Nah, my jeans are like this wet. This wet. Oh, my glasses are like this. Woo! This is crazy stuff. You know, this camping biz, it's getting exciting, man.